alternativa?
We went up to Patate and we came to the market and we saw Super Mario. We call him Super Mario. He's a nice man. He has an organic place and we bought some stuff off of him.
Is it hot today?
It's
Scorching.
mucho más
Caliente?
caliente. Es dulce. Sweet. That's sweet.
Es, sí.
What is that? I need to try that.
Aspirina.
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 Igual que el medicamento.
It's a medical herb. ¿Y qué hace? Gonna take us to Baños.
You have to say, Axel.
I have to say it's pretty hot here today. I'm pretty busy. We're looking for chicken.
Yeah, we're looking for chicken. Pollo. I think it was down to the left here. If I remember correctly. It's really happening here today. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to pass. Not today.
No, there's too many big rocks. Axel's gonna push this boulder down the hill. That won't work. freedom to get around.
So that's where we're going. Down to there and up to the highway. We got it.
Here I come. He's fast. He was faster than you. He's gonna come up in a sec. Anyway, this is actually pretty steep. You wouldn't know it though. And the Ecuadorians just wail. One bike had 3 people on it, actually. No worries they had. So I'm ready to meet it from the bridge. Okay, here I come. Good cardio. Here's the volcano. Yep. Can you believe that volcano?